Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Group 1 is here and we are from Science 4. But before we move to the next topic, we will introduce ourselves. My name is Mina Raudha, she is Arwa Artiya, Indra Maulana, and Les Aruman Bhinekas Muhammad Rai Perceka.
What we are going to present is an explanation text that talks about respiratory system. It is something useful and very important in life because when we breathe, it fills the nostril and we cannot live without breathing. So exactly, that means we cannot live without respiratory system. Now we move to the topic we discussed today. Respiratory system in human is a system to inhale the oxygen from the air and exhale the carbon dioxide and water vapor. The purpose of respiratory process is to generate energy. But do you how exactly the respiratory system works? My friends are going to explain about it, so keep watching.
Respiration system in human begin for the nose. The air that sucked when breathing usually comes in rather than through the mouth. By the time the air comes in, it is filtered by the nasal hairs inside the nostrils. When breathing, the diaphragm muscle contracts. The position of diaphragm becomes strike so that the cascative expand along with the contraction of the diaphragm. The rib muscle also contract. It is also make the cascative expand.
Every few seconds with each inhalation, air fills a large portion of the million of alveoli in a process called diffusion. Oxygen moves from the alveoli to the blood through the capillaries lining the alveolar walls. Once in the bloodstream, oxygen gets picked up by the hemoglobin in red blood cells. This oxygen-rich blood then flows back to the heart, which pumps it through the arteries to oxygen-hungry tissues throughout the body.
In the tiny capillaries of the body tissues, oxygen is freed from the hemoglobin and moves into the cells. Carbon dioxide made by the cells as they do their work moves out of the cells into the capillaries where most of it dissolves in the plasma of the blood. Blood rich in carbon dioxide then returns to the heart through the veins. From the heart, this blood is pumped to the lungs where carbon dioxide passes into the alveoli to be exhaled. And that is respiratory system. What we talked about was how do the lungs and respiratory system work when it inhales and exhales. And the first thing we want you to do when you finish watching this video today is to take care of your lungs and your respiratory system by avoiding inhaling dirty air and keeping your body and environment clean. Especially for now, there is a virus called coronavirus that easily attacks our respiratory system. So stay safe and stay healthy. We sincerely appreciate that we've had this opportunity to present to you. And that brings us to the end. We'd like to thank you for your support and positivity today. Special thanks to Mrs. Tati because she gave us this assignment so we can practicing about the way we speak English. Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.